Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out the brand new XTOOL IP508S, the 2025 edition of this powerful OBD2 scanner. If you're a DIYer or a pro mechanic, this one's worth a look. Let's dive in. XTOOL IP508S scanner for car features 15 essential reset services, including oil reset, ABS brake bleeding, SAS calibration, EPB, BMS reset, and throttle adaptation. Advanced options like TPMS reset, injector coating, gear learning, crank sensor relearn, gearbox matching, power balance, seat calibration, headlight reset, suspension, and DPF make this car scanner a versatile diagnostic tool. XTOOL IP508S Diagnostic Scanner 2025 provides complete OBD2 diagnostic functionality, including the ability to read and clear DDCs, access freeze frame data, and perform IM readiness tests. It's a fantastic scan tool OBD2 for turning off the check engine light and performing OBD2 transmission diagnostics. Additionally, XTOOL IP508S OBD2 scanner with ABS and SRS offers quick and efficient ABS brake bleeding and SRS airbag diagnostics, helping you tackle a wide range of vehicle issues easily. XTOOL IP508S car scanner offers powerful diagnostics across 4 major vehicle systems: ABS, SRS, engine, and transmission. XTOOL IP508S car scanner diagnostic tool allows you to read and clear DDCs, access live data, and retrieve ECU information for a comprehensive understanding of your vehicle's condition. It also lets you read freeze frame data, making it easier to identify the cause of issues. 2025 upgraded hardware, XTOOL IP508S Scanner OBD2 ensures fast and responsive performance. The vehicle diagnostic scanner provides up to 8 PIDs for live data visualization, making it easier to analyze and interpret vehicle health. Whether you need to conduct OBD2 transmission diagnostics, perform ABS brake bleed, or check for SRS faults, the tool offers a smooth and intuitive experience. You can update the software with a simple one-click Wi-Fi update, keeping your device up to date without additional fees or subscriptions and ensuring your OBD2 scan tool stays current with no hidden costs. XTOOL IP508S Automotive Scanner Diagnostic Tool is compatible with OBDI-compliant vehicles built after 1996 and supports CAN-FD protocol. It covers over 100-plus vehicle brands, including 12V sedans, SUVs, light-duty trucks, and minivans. XTOOL IP508S car OBD2 scanner supports. Pros: fast and responsive, all systems coverage, tons of special functions, lifetime free updates, great value under $300. And cons: no bidirectional control in this model. Android tablet UI could be smoother in some menus. If you want a reliable, advanced, and affordable OBD2 scanner in 2025, the XTOOL IP508S is absolutely worth checking out. Whether you're working in the shop or in your driveway, this tool gets the job done. Hit that like button if this helped, subscribe for more auto tech reviews, and drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.